These are my recommended tools for the oil change of the Veloster 2020. You can investigate and use any type of filter you want. I use the original filter that came with the car, Hyundai brand. You need a 5/8 socket for the ratchet with an extension. If you don't have that, you will have to take off the whole plastic protecting piece of the car. I use a jack to raise the car, and I only raise the car at one side. I put a piece of box under the car just to catch any oil that is gonna get spilled. Everything is already in place. I'm gonna take the oil filter first. The oil that the car gets is 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic. And this is the inspection for the ratchet. This is the reason why I use it, because it's easier to maneuver if you have space. Like I said before, it's a 5/8 socket. This extension also has a magnet so it doesn't let the nut fall. Once I lower the car and take all the oil out, I use my hands to put back the nut, because if you try to put the nut back with the ratchet, it's really hard. Like, I had tried before and I can't get it in, but when I use my hands, I get the nut in and then I tighten it up with the ratchet. So I like filling up my filter with oil to put the new filter in. That way the car doesn't get like a first start with just air, and it already has oil in there. After I put back the filter, I usually take a rug and tighten it up a little bit more to make sure it's tight. Also, at this point, I'm gonna try to take all the oil out of that protecting piece and clean the bottom of the car the best that I can. Once I'm finished, I go inside of the settings of the car and change the amount of mileage I want to do the next oil change, or time that I want the car to tell me. Thanks for watching, and I hope the video was useful.